Easter, the celebration of the Mother of the East. East is the source, origin of rebirths and resurrections. Esoterically, Easter is the celebration of the African Venus, Ugoebenaja, ISHI-AJATA, the African Venus. NNENNA, ISHI-AJATA conceals as ISHTAR. Likewise, Isis, the goddess, asserts the word East, the English word Easter, contains East in it. You find East in Easter, okay? And East originated from Est, which is the name of the primordial goddess known as Set. But her name is actually pronounced as Isi, East. Set isn't actually pronounced as Set nor Isis. Her name is pronounced as ISI, that is ISI in Igbo, ISI. The Greeks often add letter S towards the ending of every word that is pre-Greek, okay? And the ancient Kemites add letter T at the ending of every word that is female, okay, a goddess. It was the Egyptologists that coined the word Set or Isis, which should be concealed as Ast or East, as it is the root words for astrology, astronomy, astrotheology, astroladery, the star of the East. Astro means star. Isi, the source, our source. We come from the stars. Isi, okay? And the stars, the sun, the moon, they all rise from the east. Okay? Thus, the east is the source. Igbo word for east is Eke or Isi. That is east, and the name of the Igbo Venus is NNECHUKWU, Neke, Ekoma. Easter is always on a Sunday because Jesus is a manifestation of the sun that rises during spring, which is resurrection. Easter is a celebration of ISHTAR. ISHTAR is a Sumerian Venus. In Igbo, Venus is also called ISHI-AJATA. Thus, the Sumerian ISHTAR comes from the Igbo ISI-AJATA, which is Venus. ISHI-AJATA, that is Venus in Igbo. That's the root word for the word that kept on concealing as East. The feathered serpent, NNECHUKWU, is Lucifer. Easter, the morning sun, the morning star, ANYANWU. Easter is always on April. April is a month that is sacred to the Greco-Roman goddess Venus, Aphrodite. The name April derives from the Greek Venus, Aphrodite. April is a month that is sacred to the goddess Venus. All these resurrections, the resurrections of Jesus, all these resurrections are all plagiarized from the original mysteries of Ndembo. When you go into the original mysteries of Ndimbo, you will learn that NNECHUKWU, Nneka, okay, Nneka sacrificed her life force in order for Igbo people to have cocoyam. Nneka, the mother of the East, Nneisi, Nnebisi, the mother of the East, sacrificed her life force for Igbo people to have cocoyam. And she resurrected as NNECHUKWU. She resurrected as Uto Ana. Neuto. That is resurrection. The rising. The reason. She resurrected as Venus. If you look at the cocoyam, which is Ede in Igbo, and you look at the planet Venus, you see that they look alike. Ede, cocoyam, and planet Venus look alike. Cocoyam and yam are foods that are sacred to men and women in Igbo. The cocoyam is sacred to women and the yam is sacred to men. Ugoebenaja, the ally of the earth, also sacrificed his life force for Igbo people to have yam. So both Ugoebenaja and NNECHUKWU, Uto, Ana, they both sacrificed their life force for Igbo people to have both cocoyam and yam. Thus, that was the first recorded resurrection in the world. In the Neolithic period, way before Abrahamism ever existed.